Welcome to our next lesson in polynomials. So we'll attempt some problem in quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So where the standard form of quadratic equation. So what we have to remember, a, b, c are all constants. And normally it is a small e. Please can make a small e. And x is the variable. So in this, sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, or we can say minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Product of roots is equal to c by a, or constant factor divided by coefficient of x square. So the standard form of quadratic equation, roots of the equation, there are two roots, then normally is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where we know b is coefficient of x, a is coefficient of x square, c is the constant. So why there are two factors? Because it is x square. We have got two factors. So the first factor is minus b. The first factor, we can say minus b minus of this root, my b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Other root is minus b. One is minus, another is plus. So there are two factors generally. So this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So this factor discriminates these two roots. So this b square minus 4ac, here there are three conditions. See, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then this root of any positive one is a real one. So we have got real roots and two roots we have got. It's greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real because there is no discriminant. Discriminant will become 0. So you got two roots, same roots you have got two. If you get root of alpha, the other root also is alpha. You have got two roots in this. If b square minus 4ac is a negative one, so you have got only imaginary root. There is no real root. This factors we have to remember. So we'll go to next. So we know the homogeneous expression of first degree. First degree means x is to the power 1 and y is to power 1. And there is no constant factor. And a and b are variable. Sorry, this constant. A and b are constants. So with homogeneous with two variables, this is with only. So we remember, or this with two variables we write. Secondary degree is ax square plus bxy plus cy square. This is homogeneous expression. There is no constant term, and the degree is 2. So this for the second factor, xy is combinedly taken as 2. Degree 1 plus 1. This degree is 2. So what is the next is symmetric. A symmetric expression means x1 y are replaceable with each other. So in this x square, what a constant is repeated at y square also. This is bx multiplied by y. This is bxy. Then will it become 2d. This is bxy. So if you replace by x by y and then y by x also, the same thing remains. This is b. And a and b are constants. So the next, so the sigma. What do you mean by sigma? Sigma of this we will lead with a, b, and c. When we write sigma a multiplied by a plus b minus c, the first factor is a multiplied by a plus b minus c. Next factor, b multiplied by b plus c minus c. And plus c multiplied by c plus a minus b. The factor is cyclic. It is a cyclic way. This is the meaning of this word sigma. So it's a sigma with ABC. The sigma notation will be using where a particular pattern is there, and this AB. So it is a cyclic order. See, after A, B comes. After B, C. Here B, C means then A. Here C, A means then B. So the next problem, sigma AB multiplied by A minus B. This is find factors. How you? So what do you mean by sigma AB multiplied by A minus B? So this is sigma in ABC is equal to AB multiplied by A minus B plus BC multiplied by B minus C plus CA multiplied by C minus A. So this is the function. Let us take this function as FA. So this function will take it as a function of A. So what is a function of B? So it is just like factor theorem. Now if f of function of A is equal to 0, then x minus phi is a factor. This is the factor theorem. If a function of f of A is equal to 0, then x minus A is a factor. In this case, f of B we have to find f of B. Instead of A, this is no B. So instead of x here A is there. So then A minus B is a factor in this case. F of B if you apply, so instead of x here f of A is the equation. Instead of x minus A here, it's A minus B. So if you apply f of B, function of B, the A will be replaced by B and the equation will become B square multiplied by b minus b. B minus b is 0. So this will become 0. Here b square c minus bc square plus b will be replaced by a. So here a also can be replaced by a. Instead of a, you put b now. This becomes bc. Bc multiplied by c minus b. Then b square c here minus b square c. This one minus bc square here plus bc square. So then f of b will become 0. F of b is 0 means a minus b is a factor. So using this, using factor theorem, please repeat the factor theorem 2-3 times till you understand what is a plus or the minus factor. So because it's cyclic, if we similarly we apply b minus c is also factor, c minus a is also. If you replace by b with c or if you replace c with a, then also the equation f of the equation will become 0. So that's why it's cyclic. No, so the original f of e is equal to here. See, a minus b is a factor. 3b minus c is a factor. C minus a is a factor. It is multiplied by some constant. Why? Now this is a 3-degree equation. Why? This a square b 2 plus 1. Degree of the equation is 3. 3 degrees are there. So you have got 3 solutions, 3 factors are there. If it's a 2-degree, 2 factors. So we have to find the value of this constant. So we'll put some value on test. A equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. If you apply this in this formula, FA is equal to, this is 1 minus 2 become minus 1. B1 2 minus 3 become minus 1. So we will write here minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. And this is multiplied by k. So f of a, we have got f of a here. The derivative function. There also we apply the same figures. So ab. Now this is ab is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a minus b. 1 minus. So this we get here. Comma plus b multiplied by c. b is 2, c is 3 multiplied by b minus c. 2 minus 3. So we get this 6 multiplied by minus 1. Next plus ca is 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1. C minus c is 2. This is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So if we add these two factors, we get minus 2. 2 into 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 6 into plus 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Last factor is 3 multiplied by 2. You please repeat the values and you work out yourself. And the total will become minus 2. So the f of a, if we apply this 1, 2, 3 value, it becomes 2. So this minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 become plus 1 multiplied by 2k. So now 2k will become minus 2. And k is minus 2. So you replace the value of k in this equation. Now we get the full answer. Fk is equal to, so value of k is minus 1 multiplied by a minus b in multiplied by b minus c multiplied by c minus c. We can multiply minus 1 with any of the factors. Then we get, instead of a minus, so if we multiply minus 1 with a minus b, we get b minus c. Next problem. Find the roots of the equation x square plus x multiplied by c minus b plus c minus a multiplied by a minus b is equal to 0. The equation is given. Find the roots of the equation. So we will try to bring the equation in the form of x plus. So how we proceed with this? You should bring the equation in the form of x plus something multiplied by x plus something is equal to 0. Then we get two solutions. So we'll make it x plus c minus a multiplied by x plus a minus b. So these two factors we have brought here. X minus c by a multiplied by x plus a by b. If you add, if you consider the factors of x, it will become c by c minus b. Therefore, when x plus something multiplied by x plus something is equal to 0. This we have to remember. Then x minus a is a factor. Here x minus a. So x equal to minus of whatever the bracket. A minus c is the factor. And x minus of a by b or b minus a is a factor. So factor theory is something is equal to x minus a is a factor. Next, write quadratic equation whose roots are root 3 and minus 3. Here we can easily make out what is sum of root. Sum of roots, if you add these two, is equal to 0. Root 3 plus or minus root 3. So product of roots. So root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. So minus is there. So it's minus 3. What is sum of roots? Minus b by a. What is product of roots? C by a. So if we apply the standard equation, so what is the equation of the form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This standard quadrant. If we divide by a, x square plus b by a multiplied by x plus c by a is equal to 0. So we know what is C by A is equal to minus 3. What is B by A? Sum of roots is equal to 0. Remember this, whatever this B by A is 0 or minus B by A. Sum of roots is equal to 0. So these factors will become 0. Plus or minus doesn't matter now. So the entire product will become x square plus, not plus, C by A is 3. So it is x square minus 3. So when roots are given, with the help of the what we know, sum of roots is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square minus. So product of roots is equal to c by a. So we can arrive at the equation now. Equation is x square minus 3. Is the equation? No. Is equal to 0. Now this equation is complete. Equation is for ax square plus b plus c is equal to 0. So x square minus the sum of roots multiplied by x plus product of roots is equal to 0. You can say sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, or b by a is equal to minus sum of roots. You can bring the minus here. We'll go to next problem. So 21x square plus 17x minus 2 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So first what we will try to find out, what is this b square minus 4ac? B is 17 square minus, remember, minus 4a is multiplied by 21. C is minus 2. So this minus of 5 will this will become plus factor. So 17 square is 17 square. If you multiply, it is 289 plus 4 multiplied by 21 multiplied by here minus 4, here minus 2, become 8 multiplied by 21 is 168. We add these two, this will become 457. Please repeat the calculation. This is 17 square is 119. Next step 168 if we add. No, this is not 118. 7 sevens are 40. 70 it is 284 plus 168. 284 plus 168 if we add. This is 9. It's 289. 7 457. We get 457. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 17 square minus 4 multiplied by 21 multiplied by minus 2. So, what are the roots? There are two roots, two roots. Minus b, what is the root equation formula? Minus b plus or minus The whole of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. 2a is 21 plus or minus root of this factor is 457. So one root is minus 17 minus root of 457 divided by 442. Another root is minus 17 plus root or minus root of 457 by 42. One is plus, another is minus. We got two roots. So this root of 457 or fraction. So we will leave at this stage. Let's factorize the expression. So to factorize the expression using remainder theorem. So the last factor you see it's minus 2. It suggests the if you can try f of 1. So if you try f of 1, you can try f of 2 because 1 minus multiplied by 2. So there can be some more factors because x to the power 4 means there should be 4 factors. So if we are able to find the first two factors, we divide this expression and find out the remaining using synthetic division. We use the synthetic division for the remaining. When the expression is small, we can find out the remaining factor. This will continue in the next class. Thank you.